Now I had to abandon my car along the road. I took almost 40 minutes just in this kind of checking. So I do not know why this government is becoming so much fearful. They are fearful unknown. Why are you blocking cars that are entering in parliament? So, you know, once you are doing something which is not favoring the community, you feel so insecure. So right now, this government is so much in a panic. They are doing everything like thieves. I don't know what is going on. I have to abandon my car along the road. Now I am walking, hurrying to parliament. So we are really quite embarrassed. I pray that this situation must change. Okay. And you know, coffee affects everyone in this country. And if this government jokes, this is going to be the beginning of the downfall of this government. Now you are touching the livelihood of someone deep in the village in western Uganda, someone deep in the village in central Uganda, deep person in eastern Uganda, and part of northern Uganda. I'm telling you, even if you want to do your manyanga in this country, don't attempt to touch the livelihood of the poor person. They will rise up and fight. So I pray that this situation must normalize. Let members of parliament go and deliberate, and we come up with our resolution.
Thanks so much.